This started out with a phone call and a couple of emails. Here you can see a diagram of a lock, and then here's what was taken down over the phone, showing an unusual gate lock or a screen door lock. Very narrow back set. And we received this sample right here. There it is. There's your very narrow, it's an inch and 1/16 back set, or an inch back set. The accurate shortest back set is 1.25 inches, and we matched that up the 8624. And you can see it in our catalog right here. 8524 is actually the narrow armor front, and you can see that the lock sent to us has a very narrow armor front. It's actually 7/8 of an inch. There you go. So we go with the 85, which is our 1-inch armor front, and the 8524. Now there's another problem. The other problem is that our base front is 8 inches. The base front and mounting locations on the existing lock are 9 inches. See that difference? The good news is we are able to make a custom base front for the 8500 lock. That's the 8524. We're able to make a base front using the laser. So we take the base front pattern, there's the plan, and elongate it and match the cylinder height alignment on the base front. So here we go. There is the piece cut out by the laser, and there is the same piece now bent. The tab's bent, and you can see same alignment, it lines up. So there we go, we've matched the lock as close as we can. Let me put these out aside, and there we go, there's our version of that lock. And you can see the alignment. We got the cylinder to line up within 1/4 inch of the back set, but our lever set is quite different. So we can't match this lever set. So there's the option of doing a rigid lever below, drill a hole out in here, and not have the latch. We could have done an 8503, or there's the option of having the lever and covering up the damage in the door for the old lever set. So that's what the client decided to do, and there was a little bit of coordination for that. So let me just scroll through these drawings real quick. I wanted these photos. These were the site condition photos. There it is. There's that very narrow style glass door. There's There's the frame where the latch and bolt would hit, acting like a strike. There's the mortise pocket in the door, and there's again the frame from the side. This is the actual door. You can see it's got an elaborate wrought iron grate, which is quite nice. And there's the door from the outside, that grate. This cost quite a bit to replace. So there we go. I showed you all the site photos. What is this? This is a photo I took of the lock open up. You can see the parts are beat up, and their problem is the bolt failed. And it got cut off, so they could open the door. You can see the latch bolt springs are shot, and the lock is actually missing a couple of parts. Next, we have the coordination. So we drew a couple of parts, and I'm going to go to my model space in AutoCAD. This is the engineering. So here we go. Here's that the measurements of the standard. They're the measurements of the standard base front. I have to go over to the stamping department to confirm some of them. Our drawing was off slightly. And then here's my modified base front. There's the modified base front template that was used for the laser. There's the modified base front showing an assembly drawing. Our lock versus their lock. You can see the differences. Then we did an installation drawing showing the blue outline of the old lock and the blue outline of the old lock, and you can see that little bit of difference in the cylinder and lever holes, and the green outline of our lock. And you can see their door style. Well, our lock is going to be a close fit, but this is as good as we can get. They asked for us to make it. Then, on top of that, because of the damage in their door, they asked for some escutcheon plates. So we stamped holes in some cold rolled steel. They'll be able to weld to their door. Here are those plates right here. Here's the thumb turn rose that they had with a thumb turn similar to this one. You can see that is a very, very loose fit. So I gave them a new thumb turn rose, and it's already mounted and screwed into threaded holes on this adapter plate. So let me show you. There we go. There's our lock with their old thumb turn disc, and there's the adapter plate. So you can see that that will fit on their door, and they'll be able to weld or screw this plate into the style of the door. And on the other side, we've got a plate for the exterior lever set and cylinder. There we go, exterior cylinder, and we just included a cylinder collar. We make these for the pocket door locks, so we included that. It should be a pretty good fix. If you could get a narrow back set lock that you're able to make a custom base front for, that would probably be the best bet, but we're one of the few companies that would make a custom base front like this. So there's your fix, and you can see that's a very good fit on the new thumb turn rose. That's all there is to it. I'll send all this back with our straight cam. This is the cam that was used in the old lock. I'll send back the old lock and these parts ready to be used. But that's how it's done. Sorry the AutoCAD drawings weren't that great. Here's a drawing, showing the rush for the laser, and here are the drawings that Francis, our punch operator, used to make those plates. There you go. Just it's amazing with a couple of measurements and a clean layout, the solution that you can come to. It really works. You can see, though, we're worried about the roses overhanging into the glass of the door. That would be cosmetic. It wouldn't damage the function, I don't believe. The only detriment is that our lock could be deeper than the style of the door allows.